In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out for an Apple account on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and in the drop down menu you want to select System Settings. Once you're inside the System Settings, you want to select your name at the very top, and once you're inside your Apple account settings you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Sign Out at the bottom and select that. From here it's going to give you a pop-up wanting you with all of the data that's currently stored in your iCloud account on this Mac. So you want to go ahead and select all of the data type that you want to store a copy of on your Mac. Once you're ready, you want to select Keep a Copy. You will also receive this pop-up informing you that when you sign out your Apple account, it will also disable Apple Pay and all of your cards on this device. So once you're ready, you want to select Sign Out and Remove Cards. You'll also get a pop-up asking you if you want to keep a copy of your iCloud photos. So we're going to select Download, or in this case I'm going to select Delete from my Mac as they are all stored in the iCloud anyway. Again, I'm going to select Delete from Mac, and then it's going to proceed to sign out of our account. However, we do need to enter in our Apple account password to continue, so let's do that now. And once you've done this, you want to select Continue. So as you can see, we have successfully signed out of our Apple account. We can go ahead and sign into a new one, or we can exit out of the settings application and start using our Mac without an account, just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like.